Casey Felton. I'm a communications intern here at the ACLU of Georgia.
Hello, my name is Lakeland and I'm a political legislative intern here at the ACLU of Georgia.
My name is Catalina Ortiz and I'm a legal intern.
My name is Kaylee Shepard and I'm a legislative intern.
Hi, my name is Peyton Selby. I'm a legislative political intern.
My name is Kevin Wender and I'm a legal intern. My favorite part of the summer and interning at the ACLU of Georgia was definitely being able to work on the litigation for the abortion ban, and also being able to see the complaint that we filed, to see some of the research and work that I did appear in the complaint, and then also to attend the press conference.
One experience that I really enjoyed when I was working with the ACLU was going to the press conference for the drop of the lawsuit against HB 481, because I got to go and take pictures, which was really fun, and I got to interview a bunch of different people. And not only did I get to be creative with it, but as I was there, I also got to listen to some awesome people talk, like Andrea and Sean and Stacey Fox and Monica Simpson, and I heard everything they had to say about the lawsuit, and I just thought it was a really good experience.
I would say one of my favorite experiences was seeing the behind-the-scenes process for the press conference. That was really interesting, getting to see the whole setup behind that.
That was a really cool experience to see all the plaintiffs come together and kind of in solidarity against this abortion ban.
I think one of my favorite things that I liked about this summer was being part of the legal team and working with them to file the complaint against the HB 481.
A favorite experience that I've had this summer working for the ACLU is just my interaction with the people that we serve, with a lot of our supporters at the different rallies that we've attended. That was really a great and interesting experience for me.
My favorite part of this internship has been interacting with the other interns and really learning from them, especially my peers in the legislative political side have really taught me a lot, and I've really been exposed to diverse opinions, and I think that's just been one of the more educational parts of the internship.
What I learned is all of the hard work that comes into filing a complaint such as the one that we did against the HB 481. The legal team works very hard and against very tight deadlines to make sure they file this on time.
And then also getting to work on some social media content around that. So putting out facts on our Instagram and Twitter and Facebook to really make sure that people understood the context of this issue and why it's so important. And so that was really interesting, just seeing how social media plays such an important role in the work that we're doing here.
I've learned a lot about integrated advocacy at the internship, a lot of experience that I didn't have prior. In the future, I'll have a greater appreciation and interest in getting involved in civil rights litigation and integrated advocacy organizations like the ACLU of Georgia.
What I've learned most is being exposed to so many diverse opinions, and then at the same time learning from Christopher Bruce, the political director here, just about how to not only appeal to a lot of different opinions, but how to unify people and how to rally people around the same cause.
Through the internship, been able to research a lot of areas of constitutional law that I really hadn't had exposure to in law school, and just really was able to see the work of what it's like to do civil rights litigation on a day-to-day basis.
Because I'm in high school, this internship has really made me think about what I want to major in when I'm in college. It's also made me passionate about wanting to fight for civil liberties and freedoms for all Americans.
And how this will help me in the future is definitely to continue working for the community and work for the issues that I think that are very important to help the community fight for their rights.
Because I'm really interested in advocacy, communications, political comms, and seeing how in today's world where everything is digital first, like social media plays such an important role in advocacy and in politics and getting people on board with their different movements. So I'm excited to see what happens next.
I have a strong interest in politics later in my life, so I think that really learning about communities and the way that we can get laws passed and the way we stand up for communities, especially here in Atlanta, is really important going forward, and just learning about government and learning about how we can get people more excited about government and more engaged.
This was really an amazing experience, being able to apply some of the things I learned in law school and just kind of see what it's like to be a civil rights attorney on a day-to-day basis. It's just really valuable experience for me, and it's something I think I'll carry through with me throughout my career.